Hi everybody. In the previous video, we learned about base templates, HTML, and CSS. In today's video, we will see how we can take full control of our web application. After all, when users register and post content, you want to be able to interfere if unacceptable situations pop up. You could create an admin section yourself, make a page and restrict access to you only, create a task that shows all users and their content on that page, and add some other tasks that let you change and delete or assign roles. But it wouldn't be easy. So Django saved us from that big task and added an admin section to our application, which you can visit both on your machine and when it's online, and it's very easy to use. The admin section can only be visited by superusers or admins. As our project does not have users yet, we will first make ourselves superuser with the command prompt. And later, we can assign superuser or admin roles to other registered users in the admin section. When done, we will make a small change in the URL file of the main folder and add some lines to the admin.py file. To wrap up, we will check the admin section in our browser to see how it looks. Let's go to our command prompt. cd into your P1 folder and start the virtual environment. cd into your project folder, but instead of starting the development server, we will create the superuser with the command python manage.py, create superuser. As we want to have a very quick and convenient way to access the admin section, we chose super short usernames and passwords for development. For production, make them complex, please. By the way, passwords are invisible, but they are there. Ignoring the Django warning. Done. Now on to our editor. Open the URL file in the main folder. This line of code, which was standard added by Django when creating the project, shows you the location of the admin section. Remember, within the quotation marks is our domain name, aka development server's address, added but invisible. To make the admin page more difficult to find for visitors, we will add whatever we want to the URL, as long as we keep the admin at the end. Now we will register our user model in the admin file in our Accounts app so that it will be visible in our admin section in the browser. The first line is standard, importing the admin tool. With the second line, we import our user model from within our Accounts app. The next block of code is a Django snippet which we can use to customize the fields we want to see of the model. It's a class which we gave a name, free to choose, and adding some tools from the toolbox. Next, we give the group of fields a name and specify the fields. For the time being, we only want to see a list that shows the username, the email, and a creation date. If we want to see more details of the user, we will have to enter their profile. You will see in a moment how that looks. Note you can add complexities to your customization like search functions. Last we do is register the user model and the field's group name. As always, don't forget to save your work. If we want to visit the admin section, we have to start our development server. Go to our browser and visit our project. Still working fine. And now we can add the admin URL including our secret extra. And here we have it, our admin section, aka admin console. We log in with our superuser credentials. Welcome to the Django admin console. Isn't this nice? On its main page, you will see all your models you register. For now we only have the users, please ignore group, we will remove that later. If we enter our user model, we see our chosen field, username, email, date created. For more details we enter. Note that the password field is encrypted, nobody can see passwords from anybody, ever. Creation date. A section to assign roles. And next are all our fields of our user model. Ranked as they are ranked in our model. So depending on what you want to see on top, you can rearrange your model and migrate. Django Admin. A powerful and very convenient way to manage your web application. Thank you, Django. And thank you for tuning in. And we hope to see you in the next video.